So some of you were asking me about the homework, the first homework. The first thing you will do, this is my website, internationalprofessor.com, internationalprofessor.com. You will go to your class 6631, and you have received an email telling you if you are in the red group or the green group. So if you are in the green group, you will read these articles. There are 4 articles, and then if you click here, you actually can download the articles. You don't even need to go to Blackboard for those who have Blackboard problem right now. So my advice is download the articles, read it, and then after that you will have to go to Blackboard and read these materials. We say all materials, they mean these materials because it's also in Blackboard. And then you will think about, you will write 250 words and answer this question: what leadership responses in social organizations are necessary for all cultural groups within that social organization to have full participation and access resources? So the first step is go to Blackboard. So here is my Blackboard, blackboard.dowling.edu. So if you go to blackboard.dowling.edu, you put your username and password. Then you will go to your class. I have a lot of classes, but you only have this one, 6631. And after that, you will go here, discussion board. And here is the question. You are in the green group, so you have to answer the question with 250 words. So you go here, Dr. Tatum, create new thread. You put the title of your answer, or you can put green group, and then you put your answer. After you finish, you submit it. Okay? So I think that's easy. There is no difficulty. So let me go back here. So after you do that, you finish your 250 words, you will go to the group Twitter. So just step number 3, which I also put the link here. And then you will put something meaningful, something that it really, something that you learn about the topic, that you are fascinating about the topic, some meaningful comment here. Okay? So that will be your next step. So it's Blackboard, Twitter. After you do that, you will go to the red group. Okay? And the red group have a blog. They're not working in Blackboard, they're working in a blog. So in the red group, you will go here to the blog, and they discussing different topics. They are discussing about collective intelligence for leadership and innovation. And people will be, right now there's no comments because you just began, but people will be commenting. So you have to read whatever your colleagues comment, and then you have to select the one you like and comment. Now, in order to comment in this blog, you have to join to the blog. Okay, so you first join to the blog, and then you can join with Google, with Twitter, and Yahoo. So everybody have Twitter accounts, so you can join with Twitter. Or if you have Google, you can Google. You know, whatever you, for example, I want to join with Google. So they will ask you to put your username and password, and then after that, now you can just go here, click on comments, and you can write here. This is amazing. Whatever you want to write. Okay? And then you publish. So that is the red group. So after you do that, you will go back to Blackboard again. Okay? By that time, your colleagues are posting their comments about the green group is posting the comments about these readings. So you will go here again, but so you will have at least like several comments. You go to discussion board, and then you will read, people will have several comments. You will read 2 or 3 that seems that you is interested, and you respond to them. Okay? And that will be your assignment. Okay? First, you go to Blackboard, post 250 words. Second, you go to Twitter and put something meaningful that you have learned reading all of these things. Then you will go to the red group activity, which is in the blog, in my blog, and read their comments. Some of them are commenting things, and then use commenting of that 150 words. And then by that time your colleagues already posting in Blackboard, so you will go back to Blackboard, to your group, read what they're saying, and answer and commenting with 150 words. It's very easy. Now let's go to the red group. So the red group we will do is very similar. So first you read materials of Dr. Morote, and you have here the materials. You can click here and you can actually download the materials. Some of them are videos. After you read all of these, you will go, you will go to the blog. Okay, you will join the same way we discussed it, and then you will submit an interesting comment using the information you have learned in the information you have learned in reading the articles. Okay, after you do that, you go to the group Twitter. Okay, and then you will comment something meaningful about the topic of collective intelligence. Okay, and then you will go to Blackboard, to the green group, and because they're discussing something about Dr. Tatum, and you will read what they're saying, and then you will make a comment. So I already explained how to make the comments. And then you will go back to the blog, read what your great group colleagues are saying, and commenting. Okay, so it's almost the same steps, but instead using a Blackboard discussion board as a media of discussion, we will use a blog. So the red group, read these articles or watch the videos, go to the blog, post 250 words, meaningful, answer this question. Your role as a leader of organization to support the collective intelligence, to lead innovation, and the role of technology in all of this. After you put your meaningful comment answering these questions using these materials, you will go to group Twitter, post something meaningful, and then you will go and play as a spy of what green group is doing. So you go to a discussion board, read what the green group is commenting, and then you comment it 150 words. Then by that time your colleagues are posting several comments in the blog post, in the blog. So you go to the blog, read whatever the red people are saying, and commenting as well. This is so much fun. Okay, have fun.